Dear student, now we study next three diagram. In first period, we study the three diagram. Then next three diagram. Now we start the next three diagram here. That is ray diagram number 4. Now object between C and F. When object between center of curvature and focus, then where is the image of object? Object between center of curvature and focus, then where is the image of object? Here we draw the diagram. Here concave mirror. Here concave mirror. Here center of curvature, principal axis, pole of the mirror, here focus of mirror, object between C and F. AB is object between center of curvature and focus. Here we use a rule number first. Light ray parallel to principal axis, then reflected ray passes from focus in this way, and then we use the rule number 3. One light ray which is passes from center of curvature and reflected ray also passes from center of curvature here in this way. And these two light rays gets meet behind the center of curvature, and here is the image, means A dash B dash is image. Dear student, look towards the diagram, that when object close to mirror, that image gets away from the mirror. Size of object is small, but size of image is larger than object. It is magnified image. Means object between C and F, then image beyond center of curvature, that is C. What is nature of image? Nature real and inverted, and size magnified image. Magnified image means image larger than object. Then here diagram number 5. Here then object at focus. Here according to diagram number 5, object at focus F. Then where is the image? Object at focus, image at infinity. Look toward the first diagram. We study the first diagram, object at infinity, image at focus. Now here object at focus, image at infinity. Here concave mirror. Concave mirror, center of curvature. Here pole of the mirror, and here focus. Here object at focus. Look here, AB is object. Here we use the rule number first and rule number third. First rule, light ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray passes from focus in this way. Light ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray passes from focus. Rule number 3 we use here, that is light ray passes from center of curvature and reflected ray also passes from center of curvature. These two reflected rays not meet here behind or in front of the mirror, and just know that image at infinity means they not meet at a single point, means they meet at any point there or anywhere there. is that object at image at infinity. Means object at focus, image at infinity, because two reflected rays are parallel to each other, then nature real and inverted and sides highly magnified. Size highly magnified means very big. It is very larger than object. That is the diagram number 5. In all these 5 diagrams, the nature of image is same. It is real and inverted because all the image are in front of the mirror to the left side and below the principal axis. But when object close to mirror between F and P, focus and pole, on diagram number 6, object between F and P, focus and pole, then where is image? In this diagram, that nature of image is real, a virtual and erect because it is behind the mirror on the principal axis, above the principal axis. Here concave mirror, here center of curvature and principal axis, here focus of the mirror and here pole. Object at focus, AB is object. Here we use the rule number 4, that is light ray directed towards the pole and it obeys the laws of reflection. Here light ray incidence on the pole, reflected ray in this way. Here angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same. And next here light ray which can passes from center of curvature. Imagine that these two light rays comes from the same point or single point behind the mirror on the principal axis. Behind the mirror on the principal axis, and there is the image here in this way. These two light rays extend backward and they appears to comes from the single point, and here A dash B dash is the image of object. Means here object between focus and pole, object between focus and pole, here we use the first rule and then we use the third rule. We use the third rule in this way, and these two light rays extend or meet behind the mirror, and here that is the position of image. A dash B dash is the image. Means in this way there is a diagram number 6, and here nature of image is virtual and erect. It is above the principal axis and behind the mirror. Here just object between F and P. Where is image? Image behind mirror. Image behind mirror, then nature virtual and erect, size magnified image. Size magnified image means that is the topic of ray diagrams for image formation by concave mirror, and is an important topic. Dear student, you can try to draw this all the diagram and mention and write the details in your notebook.